Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city, Surat? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Surat. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of The Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be held up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Resonance Coaching. Resonance Coaching Institute was set up in 2001 by Mr. R.K. Verma, BTech Electrical and Electronics from IIT Madras, has now become an apex of achievement. Resonance Surat has been known as a standout amongst the best among the IIT coaching institutes because of their dedication and obligation. Now let us talk about some of the main features of this institute. They have dedicated sessions for query solving, 25% of the faculty is IIT qualified, consistently highly selection rate with 161459 plus selections in mains, and finally they have feedback from students in the form of satisfaction surveys. To ensure that quality education is available to everyone, distance as well as e-learning programs are also initiated by this institute. So there are various centers of Resonance Coaching in Surat, but now let us talk about one of the addresses of one of the institutes in Surat. The address of Resonance Surat in Adajan Center is first floor, shop number 118, Western Business Hub, opposite Boulevard Mall, Green City Road, Pratham Circle, Surat, Gujarat 395009. Their contact number is 09913285117. Down to our rank 4 coaching institute, we have Aakash Institute. Established in 1988 with an aim to train hard-working students, Aakash Institute has come a long way. The examination material that this IIT JEE coaching institute in Surat gives is carefully arranged by their specialist. It is streamlined yet exhaustive, exceptionally customized to give an edge to IIT JEE aspirants. The main features of this institute includes recorded video lectures, All India Akash Test Series, scholarship test which is known as NEST, and finally they have iTutor digital learning program. Alright, the address of this institute includes 101 and 102 International Commerce Center, Block A, Ring Road, Majura Gate, Surat, Gujarat 395009. Their contact number is 088 000 13030. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Narayana IIT Academy. The flagship institute of Narayana IIT Academy was established in the year 1979 as a coaching institute for aspirants of state-level entrance examinations. Ever since Narayana Coaching Institute Surat began, it has been growing at a remarkable pace. Narayana IIT Academy Surat is committed to the vision of providing quality education and thereby contributing to the overall growth of IIT JEE aspirants. Now let us talk about some of the main 4 features of this institute. The very first is highly research-based study material. Number 2, doubt clearing cell for query solving. Number 3, library with a vast collection of relevant books. And finally, they have weekly conducted common practice test. Alright, the address of this institute is behind Eso Pallav, beside Kushal Bhai Jewelers, Parle Point, Meghdoot Society, Athwa Lines, Athwa, Surat, Gujarat 395007. Their contact number is 079035701110. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Surat. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.